Beginner YouTubers, it's finally here. Now YouTube allows for you to upload a video directly from the YouTube Studio mobile application, and I am going to show you how. Kindly subscribe to this channel and let's get into business. Previously, if you wanted to upload a video to YouTube, you needed the YouTube application, but now you can do that directly from the YouTube Studio mobile app. When you open the YouTube Studio mobile app, at the top right corner of the application, you can see that now there's a plus button by the bell button, which was previously not there. When you click on the plus button, this menu would open at the bottom of the screen, where you can choose a video clip from your phone's gallery, which you would want to upload to YouTube. When you select the desired video, this page will open, which is similar to when you are uploading a video from your laptop. From here, you can add a title for the video. Next, you can add a description to your video, which really helps if you want to get the video pushed to as many people as possible by YouTube looking at keywords in your video's description. And also mention a channel by preceding the channel's name with the @sign. Also, we have the visibility tab, where you can set your video to public if you want the video to go live right after it has been published, or you can also set it to unlisted to make the video accessible to people only via the video's link. You can also set the video to be uploaded on a different time and day by setting the video as scheduled. Also, for the audience, I recommend you leave the video to no, it's not made for kids, so that YouTube does not see your video as a kids educational videos and push the videos to only kids. Next, under the short remixing, I also recommend you leave the video to allow video and audio remixing, so that others can cut parts of the video and share to their friends and family, which is a secret way you can grow on YouTube. Also, for the comments tab, you can either set the comments on to allow people to comment on your video, or leave it off to prevent people from commenting on your video. Now for the video thumbnail, when you click on the pencil icon, you can choose a custom thumbnail from your phone's gallery. You can also pinch in and out of your video to zoom in or out. You can then also drag the video about to position the thumbnail to suit your taste. When you are okay with the results, hit the down button at the top corner. Now hit the upload button at the bottom of the screen to upload your video to YouTube. If you have watched the video to this point and enjoyed it, kindly like the video and subscribe to this channel to get notified when we release a new video. If you want to learn how to upload a YouTube video the right way using vidIQ to increase views, I will leave that video on the end cards so that you can check it out. See you next time. It's bye for now. Peace out.